makes me a criminal. Lock me up. Driving in the freaking middle of the road. I'm on my way. Come on, keep your balance, keep your balance. Now I need to get some air in my helmet. I closed my visor too early. Oh, finally, I can breathe. Man. If you have ever been inside a hot car on a sunny summer afternoon, that's what it felt like. It was awful. It felt like I was gonna suffocate. My good sir, thank you for not going out in front of me. And that was not a sir, I'm so sorry. That's a new house. I haven't seen that before. Probably because I've never gone on that direction here. Never. I haven't done it for a long time. Let's go right. Right. Boom. I'm going way too fast. Let's slow down. And there we go. And right back to speeding. That's a nice house. A nice yard. That's a pretty cool house. A small part of me wants to chase that moped. And that small part of me is gonna win. Because I'm going to chase that moped. Even though it went down the road I went earlier today, I'm still gonna chase that moped. Because, you know, that's what I like to do. I like having fun. What's he doing with his indicators? Wasting his blinker fluid. That's not good. Stop wasting your blinker fluids, man. Stop driving in the freaking middle of the road. You don't need that much space. You can go like, and now he must have heard me. Because looking at my mirror, I can see that he's going at like on the dotted line out there. That's crazy. You didn't have to take it that far. Okay, so now let's go in here to this little road. See what's happening here. I remember this is like a killer speed bump up here. One of those bad boys that really hurt you. And there's a cat up here. And there's a nice car. Nice like Tommy Shelby looking car. Yeah, that's a cool car. It's not one I'm gonna want to buy, but it's cool. Let's see if they have removed the speed bump. I think so, because yeah, they removed it. That's nice. That's nice of them. The bad thing about it is that now I don't get to ride on my favorite road. Oh well, I've done that a lot, and you should never take anything for granted, but I will hopefully get to ride it again. You should always be grateful for what you have right now, and that you've lived as far as you've done. If you like life, of course. If you don't like life, then maybe you don't have to be grateful. That's like a pit lane. It's like a pit entry. Why is it cold up there? That's highly unusual. That's a very weird place to be cold on. It's like at the top of the visor on my forehead. I don't usually feel the wind up there. It's pretty weird. Maximum 50 kilometers an hour. Well, I'm going faster than 50 kilometers an hour. You can't tell me what to do. You're just a sign. I'm gonna listen to a sign? You fool. I'm just joking, of course. I'm always listening to signs. Especially speed signs, you know. You have to, whoa. You have to go the speed limit if you want to be a safe citizen. If you don't, then you're unsafe and then you should be in prison. This is my honest opinion. Let's see if I can jump here. Go like this and just be like meow 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 meow. Are you a cat? I think I just became a cat. This place right there, that's an old school. So when you're in like 3rd grade, you go there and you pretend to live in like the 1930, that century, I think it is. So you can't have like modern stuff there. You have to put on old school clothes and everything. I brought some drink that wasn't invented then, so I wasn't allowed to drink it. It was a shame because I really liked that drink. I really wanted to drink it, but they were like, no, that's not accurate to this era. But like, man, come on. And then I spilled that drink on a book. And the book, it wasn't my book, it was from a library. So I owed the library like $1 for a couple of years. And they never took that off me in the system. So in their system it said that I was still I hadn't returned that book. So when I was returning my school books in secondary school, that came up and the librarian was like, you have like this book from like 2013 that you haven't returned. And I was like, what? And I took a look at it and I was like, yeah, we sold that already. I'm not sure if we did. I don't think I paid them for the book. But yeah, obviously they didn't forget it. Well, they did forget it, but they didn't took it out of my system. But they didn't think about it. They didn't contact me and say like, yeah, you need to pay for this book. I told the other librarian I fixed that when I'm pretty sure I didn't. So if that makes me a criminal, lock me up because I'm guilty.